Hi, it's an adventure time. The solar system is our local neighborhood in space. The solar system consists of the Sun and its planetary system of 8 planets, the moons, and other non-stellar objects. Now, please consider the planets here. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The first planet is Mercury. The second planet is Venus. The third planet is Earth. The fourth planet is Mars. The fifth planet is Jupiter. The sixth planet is Saturn. The seventh is Uranus. And the last is Neptune. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and the smallest planet in the solar system. Mercury was named after the ancient Roman messenger of the gods because it moved across the sky much faster than the other planets. In fact, Mercury completes one orbit around the Sun in only 88 days. The planet has a very slow rotational period. It takes 58 days for Mercury to make a complete rotation on its axis. Because of its close proximity to the Sun, it can only be observed in the sky in the east just before sunrise, or in the west just after sunset. It never appears more than 27 degrees away from the Sun. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Venus is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. It is also known as the jewel of the sky and as the morning star. Venus is so bright in the sky that it has been known since prehistoric times. Venus is sometimes referred to as Earth's sister planet, as both are nearly the same size and have nearly the same mass. Venus differs from all other bodies in the solar system because it rotates from east to west. It is, in a sense, upside down. Another odd fact about this planet is that its day is longer than its year. Venus takes 225 Earth days to make one complete revolution around the Sun, while it takes 243 days for Venus to rotate once on its axis. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, and the densest of fifth largest of the 8 planets in the solar system. It is also the largest of the solar system's 4 terrestrial planets. It is sometimes referred to as the World or the Blue Planet. Earth formed approximately 4.54 billion years ago, and life appeared on its surface within its first billion years. Earth's biosphere then significantly altered the atmospheric and other basic physical conditions, which enabled the proliferation of organisms as well as the formation of the ozone layer, which together with Earth's magnetic field blocks harmful solar radiation and permitted formerly ocean-confined life to move safely to land. As we leave behind the blue marble of the Earth, we next encounter a small rocky world that is totally barren. This is the fourth planet from the Sun, and it is a bright orange-red world pockmarked with deep scars and enormous mountain peaks. Its red color is the result of millions of years of iron oxidation. This planet is rusty. It is capped on both ends by bright sheets of white ice, and is accompanied by 2 tiny, lonesome, oddly shaped bodies. This is the planet Mars, and its 2 moons, Phobos and Deimos. As we emerge from the scattered fragments of the asteroid belt, we are presented with a truly awesome sight. We have left behind the rocky worlds of the inner planets and have now entered the realm of the gas giants. Here we encountered the fifth planet from the Sun. At over 1,000 times the size of Earth, it is also the largest planet in the solar system. Brilliant colors of red, brown, and orange form bands and swirl in its gaseous atmosphere. A thin ring of delicate, icy material encircles the planet, and many natural satellites of varying size can be found in orbit. This is the planet Jupiter and its complex system of moons. As we get closer to the planet, we can see even more rings. What originally appears as two rings now reveals itself to be a complex system composed of thousands of smaller ringlets. There are rings and there are rings inside of rings. Surrounding all of this stunning beauty is a system of 62 moons ranging from tiny to the truly gigantic. 7 of these natural satellites are large enough to warrant further investigation. This is the planet Saturn and its system of rings and moons. Continuing our outward journey, we encountered the seventh planet from the Sun. It is a beautiful yet nearly featureless giant blue-green sphere. The outer layer of thick blue gas gives no hint as to what might lie beneath. We have left the realms of the gas giants and entered the domain of the ice giants. This planet is a little bit smaller than its close neighbor, Saturn, and is surrounded by a very thin layer of small delicate rings. On closer inspection, we find this mysterious world to be tilted on its side for some strange reason. In orbit around the planet, we find 27 moons of varying sizes and shapes. 5 of these natural satellites are large enough to explore in detail. This is the planet Uranus and a system of rings and moons. As we leave behind the blue-green beauty of Uranus, we encounter another giant blue world of almost the same size. This one is a bit different in appearance, however. Unlike its rather unremarkable distant sister, this giant sphere is marked by wispy white clouds and dark blue spots. Like a giant eye, it looms up from the blueness, reminiscent of the great red spot on Jupiter. A few tiny rings and 13 moons encircle this planet. One of these moons, Triton, is quite large and invites further investigation. This is the planet Neptune and its systems of moons. Thank you. See you in another adventure.